Hi, I'm close to R.cineros construction up here at 3704 West 69th Street at what's the name of the home? R.cineros job. So here's the shingle we're attempting to repair. As we've already showed you guys, there's 3 layers on here, which is against building code. I was told to still attempt to repair. So here you go. This is the shingle we're going to repair. Let's get all these rounded straight up. Okay. This one's already loose, so we're good. All right, cool. We're good. So next step is getting the nails out without trying to not cause any damage while doing so. So start here. Nail 1. Nail 2. Nail 3. One more at the end here. There it is. Go. All right. Next step is getting the nails up on the second line. Got one here. Got one here. Third one here. This nail's got some damage to it. Looks like a little bit hard to pull out. Let's see if we can get it. Got it out a little bit. There we go. All right, so there we go. Now, just in removing the nails, if you look, we already have some cracking. Right here, right here, right here, all right here. Look at that. And that's just pulling the nails out. Let's pull the shingle out. Okay, put the new shingle in. Nail here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's get this nail out. All right. Go all the way in now. Why won't it go in? Because there's so many. Look at this thing's just ripping. Because there's so many layers. It's not lining up properly here. You can see a shot of the layers right there. 1, 2, 3. Just right here, 1, 2, and 3. You can see them all. Okay, there we go. All right. So, I mean, if you look at this, this roof's nowhere near repairable. This one's ripped. This is cracked all the way through. This is creased all the way through. This one up here is creased all the way through. This one was already a little bit creased to begin with, but you can see it's gotten worse. Here, right here in the corner, starting to crack. So, I mean, this thing's not repairable by any means. I'm gonna throw these nails in here and finish the repair for now. But as you can see, with 3 layers against code, plus the condition of the shingle, repairing this roof would be doing the complete opposite of what we're trying to do in indemnifying the homeowner. And we would just be causing more problems than he already has. So I'm gonna pop these nails in, and we're gonna call it a day on this one. We'll send this video for you guys to review, and you guys can get back to us with your findings. Thank you.